How's it going, guys? I just got a low profile 3-ton floor jack. I couldn't do any regular floor jacks because my car is way too low for this shit. So I picked this up and I'm gonna open the shit up. This one's a lot longer than mine. I picked up mine at Harbor Freight. That one
looks like a Harbor Freight.
That one looks like a Harbor Freight too. So. This is a 2-ton. This is a 3-ton. Okay, they're both the same height off the ground. This is just longer, right? And this carries less weight. Keep that in mind. All right, 3-ton, 2-ton. Yeah. Oil change.
Dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where those treetops listen and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow, the snow. Then I am dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days, may your days, may your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops listen and the children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow.
Alright, so that was an oil change. That was super easy. You guys probably already know how to do that, but I was breaking it down for the people who don't know. Do it yourselves. That way you could do more shit. Like, I do it myself just because I know I gotta do way more things to this car at the same time. So I'm gonna do it. I'm over here. I got a list of things to do now. I can see where somebody would think it's worth, you know, taking it to a shop for 30 bucks and or whatever the case is, however much you pay, so that they can do it. But might as well, you know, run shit in your car and you know, get more things done out of the way. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.